Let's be honest, your attention span is broken. You can't focus on a book for more than 2 pages. You can't sit through a lecture without checking your phone. And if a video doesn't hook you in the first 10 seconds, you swipe. But here's the truth. Your attention span isn't permanently destroyed. It's hijacked. And today I'm going to show you how to actually step by step so you can rebuild laser sharp focus in a distracted world. Because let's be clear, your attention is the currency of the 21st century. If you can't control it, someone else will. But if you master it, you win back your time, your productivity, and your life. Understand what's happening to you. Your short attention span isn't your fault. Big tech designed it this way. Every swipe, every notification, every ding is training your brain to crave novelty. You're basically in a casino, except the slot machine is in your pocket. So the first step is awareness. Understand that your brain has been rewired for instant gratification. When you accept this truth, you stop blaming yourself and start building systems to reclaim control. Eliminate the hidden enemies before you can focus. You need to kill the distractions that keep stabbing your attention every minute. Turn off 90% of your notifications. Keep only what's essential. Put your phone in another room when working, not a silent mode. Not a face down, out of reach. Block the sites that drag you down the rabbit hole. One click of YouTube Shorts can waste an hour of your life. Think of your attention as a fortress. You must guard it like your life depends on it, because it does. Train your focus muscle. Like the gym, attention is not a gift. It's a skill. And like any skill, it strengthens with training. Start with the focus reps. For example, sit down, set a 10-minute timer, and do one thing only. No checking messages. No tab switching. Just one task. Gradually increase 25, then 50, then 90 minutes. This is the Pomodoro method on steroids. It retrains your brain to go deeper. Remember, every time you resist the urge to check your phone, you're doing a rep. You're building mental muscle. Rebuild your brain with boredom. Here's the paradox. To sharpen your focus, you must get comfortable being bored. Today, boredom feels unbearable because your brain expects constant stimulation, but boredom is actually where creativity is born. Try this. Next time you're standing in line, don't pull out your phone. Just stand there. Let your mind wander. When you give your brain space, ideas will surface. This is how you escape shallow attention and rediscover deep thought. Upgrade your environment. Focus doesn't just depend on willpower. It depends on the environment you create. Work in clean, uncluttered spaces. Use noise-canceling headphones or focus playlists. Break big projects into clear, small steps. Remove temptations because what you don't see doesn't distract you. The easier you make focus, the less energy you waste fighting distractions. Feed your brain for attention. Your brain is an organ. And just like your body, it performs based on what you fuel it with. Sleep. If you're scrolling at 2 a.m., forget focus. Your brain's already fried. Nutrition. Eat clean, balanced meals. Avoid sugar crashes and heavy junk that kills energy. Exercise. Even a 20-minute walk boosts focus and memory. Movement is medicine. Think of your brain as high-performance hardware. If you don't fuel it right, don't expect it to run high-quality software. Deep work over shallow work. Most people live in a shallow state of busyness, emails, texts, endless scrolling. But true success comes from deep work. The ability to lock in, undistracted, on tasks that matter. Start blocking 2-3 hours daily for deep work. During this time, eliminate everything else. No phone, no email, no interruptions. This is where breakthroughs happen. This is how you actually move the needle in life. Reconnect with real life. Your attention span isn't just about productivity. It's about being present. When was the last time you had a conversation without glancing at your phone? When was the last time you fully enjoyed a meal, a walk, a moment without distraction? Rebuild your attention and you rebuild your life. You'll connect deeper with people. You'll experience joy without needing constant stimulation. You'll feel alive again. The wake-up call. Here's the hard truth. If you don't control your attention, someone else will. Big tech, advertisers, and algorithms will own your mind, and you'll trade your life away one swipe at a time. But if you take these steps, eliminate distractions, train your focus muscle, embrace boredom, and fuel your brain, your attention. And when you do, you unlock the rarest skill of the modern world, the ability to go deep, to focus, and to create a life that's truly yours. So don't wait. Start today, because the world is getting noisy. And the people who win are not the ones who know the most, they're the ones who can focus the longest